Sea spiders are marine arthropods They are cosmopolitan, found in oceans around the world. The over 1,300 known species have legs ranging from 1 millimeter to over 70 centimeter. Most are toward the smaller end of this range in relatively shallow depths. However, they can grow to be although sea spiders are not true spiders, nor even arachnids. Their traditional classification as chelicerates would place them closer to true spiders than to other well-known arthropod groups, such as insects or crustaceans. If correct, this is disputed, however, as genetic evidence suggests they may be a sister group to all other. Sea spiders have long legs in contrast to a small body size. The number of walking legs is usually 4 pairs. But the family Pycnogonida includes species with 5 pairs, and the families Colossendidae and Nymphonidae include species with both 5 and 6 pairs. There are 9 polymerous IS species, 7 species distributed among 4 genera Colopoda, Pentacolossendeas, Pentapyxenion, and Pentanyphon, with 5 leg pairs, and 2 species in 2 genera Dodecolopoda and Sexenymphon with 6 leg pairs. Pycnogonids do not require a traditional respiratory system. Instead, gases are absorbed by the legs and transferred through the body by diffusion. A proboscis allows them to suck nutrients from soft-bodied invertebrates, and their digestive tract has diverticula extending into the legs. Certain pycnogonids are so small that each of their very tiny muscles consists of a single cell surrounded by connective tissue. The anterior region asphalon consists of the proboscis, which has fairly limited dorsoventral and lateral movement. The ocular tubercle with eyes and up to 4 pairs of appendages. The first of these are the cheliphores, followed by the palps, the ovigars, which are used for cleaning themselves and caring for eggs and young as well as courtship, and the first pair of walking legs. Nymphonidae is the only family where both the cheliphores and the palps are functional. In the others, the cheliphores or palps, or both, are reduced or absent. In some families, also, the ovigars can be reduced or missing in females, but are always present in males. In those species that lack cheliphores and palps, the proboscis are well-developed and flexible, often equipped with numerous sensory bristles and strong rasping ridges around the mouth. The last segment includes the anus and tubercle, which projects dorsally. In total, pycnogonids have 4 to 6 pairs of legs for walking, a cephalothorax, and a much smaller unsegmented abdomen make up the extremely reduced body of the pycnogonid, which has up to 2 pairs of dorsally located simple eyes on its non-calcareous exoskeleton, though sometimes the eyes can be missing, especially among species living in the deep oceans. The abdomen does not have any appendages, and in most species it is reduced and almost vestigial. The organs of this chelicerate extend throughout many appendages because its body is too small to accommodate all of them. The morphology of the sea spider creates an efficient surface area to volume ratio for respiration to occur through direct diffusion. Oxygen is absorbed by the legs and is transported via the hemolymph to the rest of the body. The most recent research seems to indicate that waste leaves the body through the digestive tract or is lost during a molt. The small, long, thin pycnogonid heart beats vigorously at 90 to 180 beats per minute, creating substantial blood pressure. The beating of the sea spider heart drives circulation in the trunk and in the part of the legs closest to the trunk, but is not important for the circulation in the rest of the legs. Hemolymph circulation in the legs is mostly driven by the peristaltic movement in the part of the gut that extends into every leg, a process called gut peristalsis. These creatures possess an open circulatory system as well as a nervous system, consisting of a brain which is connected to 2 ventral nerve cords, which in turn connect to specific nerves.